Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some yummy Snickerdoodle cookies. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. For this recipe, you're going to need some bread and all-purpose flour, some cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. You're also going to need some sugar, some almond extract, and some cake batter flavor, an egg and some melted butter, and a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on the side for coating. So the first thing that I like to do is add all of my dry ingredients together, and I'm just going to give these guys a little whisk. And then I'm just going to set this off to the side. In my large bowl, I'm going to add in all of my melted butter, and I'm going to also add in all of my granulated sugar. And using my hand mixer, I am just going to give this a little cream because my butter is already melted. I'm going to go ahead and add my egg in here. And along with this, I'm going to add in my cake batter flavor and my almond extract. And then I'm just going to mix this in just until I don't see any more egg streaks. I'm going to add in all of my dry ingredients. And then I'm going to mix this in just until I see very little flour left behind. And now I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm going to scrape any of the flour that's left on the sides, and I'm going to gently fold that into my dough. Now I'm going to take some plastic wrap and I'm going to cover this dough, and this is going to go into the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour. And while that's chilling over, I'm just going to go ahead and mix together this cinnamon and sugar that we have sitting here on the side. And once my cookie dough is nice and chill, I'm going to use a cookie scoop, and I'm going to take one scoop of this dough and add it to my hands. I'm going to roll this up into a nice ball. And then I'm just going to coat it in that cinnamon and sugar mixture. This is going to go onto a foil-lined baking sheet, and I'm going to pop this into the oven at 350 for about 11 minutes. Now it is totally up to you whether or not you would like to chill your dough. Personally, I find it so much more rewarding when you do. If you don't chill your dough, you'll have cookies that are pale like these and very flat. I like my cookies to have a little bit of texture, some color, some crinkles and wrinkles. I just think they are beautiful. And that's it, you guys. These cookies are chewy and soft and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and I'll catch you in the next one.